Hi dear friend, welcome back to my channel Tech Bidda. And in this video I am going to show you how to remove your Gmail account from your Android phone. It's only remove, not delete. Okay? Actually sometimes we create lots of Gmail account and we just log in into our phone, right? And in later we need to remove our that Gmail account from our phone, but we don't know how to remove it, right? Or sometimes we need to sell our phone or change our phone. That's why we need to remove Gmail account from our phone. So if you really want to learn how to remove your Gmail account from your Android phone, then make sure you watch the video till the end, because in this video I'm going to show you the easiest process for removing your Gmail account. So before starting the video, I'll ask you something, that please subscribe my channel and give also like this video. So let's start the video. First of all, I'll show you, just go to Play Store and then make sure your Gmail account is already up to date. Okay, so you can see I have just already updated my Gmail account. After that, open your Gmail and you can see in here your profile icon. Let me click on it. You can see here I have 3 Gmail account. So if I want to remove of this Gmail account, here you can see there is not any option for removing. If you click on manage option, you will not find here remove Gmail account option. So what we need to do, just get back from here, then you need to find your phone settings option. So let me click on here phone settings, and after that just scroll down, and in my Redmi phone you can see in here accounts and sign option. Click on this option. Okay, after that you will see here Google option. Click on this Google option. Finally you will find here all your Gmail account. So if you want to remove any of this Gmail account from your device, then just click on this Gmail account name. After that, here below click on more option, then click here remove account. To confirm, click again remove account. Now your Gmail account is removed from your device. If I get back from here and go to Gmail, you can see here just 2 accounts remain. So friend, if this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like, comment, share. And if you have any queries about this video or any kinds of Android related problem or any others Android issue, then please let me know in the comment box. So friends, see you later. Thanks for watching this video.